Katie, it's Becky. So I got your question about looking into Google Analytics and page views on specific pages that you're interested in. I am by no means an expert with Google Analytics, but I will do my best to demonstrate how I go about finding the basic statistics about particular Atkins web pages that I'm interested in. And I think that I have set the administrator privileges so that you should be able to do the same. So to get started, I just would go to my web browser and type in analytics.google.com. And I'm already logged in, authenticated to my NinerNet credentials, so it's already found me. I hope that logging in will be a pretty straightforward process for you. I'm not sure what it will look like the first time. And then the next thing you need to do is up here in the upper left area of the screen, you need to, your page view may not come up with the same location. So the first thing you need to do, if it's not there, is to go to all accounts, and I have access to the library.uncc.edu analytics account, and like I said, I believe that you should also have access to that too. And then you would go down, there's a big list of web pages, and you would go down, if it's not already pre-selected, to the library.uncc.edu D8. That D8 stands for Drupal 8. That's our new website. And just click on that. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on all website data. Sometimes you have other options here too, but I'm just going to click on all website data. And so that leads you kind of to this big dashboard that is very general, but to get down to specific pages that you're interested in, the next thing I would recommend doing is going to behavior over here on the left. So behavior, select site content. You can start with all pages. And now over here, you're getting a view of all of the pages on our website. It's ordered high to low, but you can order that in different directions as well. But before doing that, you want to select up in the upper right corner your dates of interest. So, for example, for the COVID-19 capturing stories, let's just go back to, say, March 15th. And now maybe let's look at the activity, the views of that page from March 15th to May 15th or 14th. Let's do May 15th and say apply. And then if you know the page you're looking for, I'm going over here to look for the identifying information about that particular page. Looking for that COVID-19. So here's the page. I'm going ahead and click on that for contributing your stories, and looking for in the URL for some keywords. I'm just going to look for the word COVID for particular pages in analytics. So over here, there's this little search box. I'm going to search for everything that says COVID, and click the magnifying glass. And so now these are all the pages. These are all the pages that mention COVID on our whole Atkins website, and this is the one that you mentioned you were particularly interested in. So I'm just going to click on that. And so now we are seeing the details related to that page in particular. And then if you wanted to save the data and look at like page views per day, you can just go up to export. I'm going to go ahead and say Google Sheets. I'm going to import the document. Excel works really well too. So now we just get this kind of spreadsheet of the day and the number of page views. And it looks like that page started getting views on March 26th. They had 25 page views. And then the 15th, well, that's even today. Some of those page views are probably me clicking on that. There were 7. So that's an easy way to get information about a specific page. I'm going to just back up using my back button. And so you also mentioned that you were interested in knowing about the page views of the General Archives and Rare Books overview page. So let's just go ahead and look for pages that start with archives-rare-books and see what happens. And so now we're seeing all of the pages. Here's the home page for the SKUA, and then here are sub-pages related to that. And again, you could export that using your dates of interest. So give that a try. I hope that you can make all that work. If you would like to kind of save access to this report so you can return to it again, an easy way to do that is to just say save and give it a name. So now you can easily, the next time you come to Google Analytics, you can just go up under Home, Customization, Saved Reports, and then you can get to what you're looking for real easily. So give that a try. I hope it helps. I know that Google Analytics can be very confusing and a little bit hard to maneuver. Like I said, I'm still learning, but I'm happy to give you a hand. Also, Rita is a real whiz with Google Analytics, so hope that helps.